everyone, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do, and it is like a one brand focus. And today is going to be on something, if you've been with me a while, you guys know I have always loved the Cle de Peau. The first thing that I ever really fell in love with is what they're kind of known for, and that is the concealer. So today I recorded my makeup, and as I show you each item that I just ordered from Nordstrom, and this video is in partnership with Nordstrom. You guys know that I love to shop the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and so I have been loving using my Nordstrom card to get to a level that I can shop the sale early. And so I've been waiting until they have all of a sudden they'll have 5 times the points, 3 times the points, 6 times the points. And then you also get the $20 notes per, I can't remember how many points it is, but right now I have $300 worth of notes. And so I am saving those up, and I have something special I think that I'm going to put them towards. So I have really enjoyed the card, and what I do is I charge my stuff on there, get my points, and then you can pay it right off. So there's just lots of advantages to having the Nordstrom card, and then there's several different ones that you can have. I know that there's just regular cards, there's debit cards and everything like that. So I have really enjoyed that, and Nordstrom is so good with returns and stuff like that. So you can see I just left my hair straight. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite things. A few things here I've had before, and then a few things are new. And I did all of my makeup, and I am just so happy with how it turned out. Okay, so the first, I'm gonna kind of go in the order that I used them. So the first thing is something I have tried before. When I was in Los Angeles, Sheila hired a really good makeup artist to do my makeup, and this is what she used for my foundation. And I got it then, and thank goodness I remembered the color, because this color is perfect. It is just perfection. And it is I saved all the boxes too. And another thing about Cle de Peau is they are a brand that has the skincare in the foundation. And this one also has SPF 24. So this is the Cle de Peau Beaute Radiant Cream Foundation, Broad Spectrum SPF 24, and the color I got is 30, and it is perfect. I did not have to mix anything with it. I barely had to set it. I don't think I would have even had to set it. I just did because I wanted to. And this is also great to mix in with other things because it's just so pretty. The finish is so pretty. So it comes in the squeezy tube, which I love. And I just put it on with a regular brush, and it is just beautiful. I love it. So I've had this before, so I know that this is a good product. Okay, so the next thing that I tried is the bronzer. And let's see, it's the bronzer powder duo. And I got number 2, and it is beautiful. I did just like I usually do. It actually comes with a brush that I did not even look at, because look at how good this is, because this is the shape that I like to use, and you'll see in the clips that I put in here, I like to take the darker color and kind of chisel out my cheekbones. Now, like I said, I usually wear my hair down, and I don't mind if my makeup kind of looks like that anyway. I like that kind of 90s look where it's a strong contour, but you could also turn it this way if you didn't want as strong of a contour. But what I like to do is do the darker color right here, blend up, and then kind of buff it out, and then this color on the top. And I don't want to put any more on now because I just love the way it looks so much already. And it has a radiant finish. So it's not one of those flat matte that, if you're the kind of person that doesn't even like to wear blush, you wouldn't need to. And I did not need a highlight. So I don't know if this is going to swatch. Yes, I think it does. Yeah, there it goes. You can see how pretty they are. They're very, very radiant and kind of a neutral, just beautiful. I'm so excited about those. And then the next thing, I almost dropped this. The next thing is what I think is really just making the look, and that is this blush duo. All of the formulas, the formula of the blush reminds me of the formula of the eyeshadows. And I have had the eyeshadows that I have on now for a long time. That palette has made it through so many palette clean outs. It's definitely a keeper. It's one that is just, let me keep on with my blush first. So this is the blush duo, and what I did is, just like it has it here, I used this one for more of a, kind of like to go right over my bronzer, and that one to go like as a highlight, and then kind of blend them all in together. And I just think it is a beautiful combo. And I'm so glad I chose these colors. There were several that I liked, but it seems like in the summer I like more of a peachy tone, and in the winter I like these deeper rosy tones. So that is gorgeous. The eyeshadow that I've been telling you guys about, and I cannot remember the name, I'll put the name right in here, but it is one that has been loved, and I've got it on my eyes today, and I will put some clips in here of how I'm using it, but the colors are gorgeous. They're very, very user-friendly colors. They blend well. They have the prettiest sheen, kind of like the blush does. And sorry, my creepy eyes in there, seeing if it focuses. But what I love is even the highlight color. All of it is just, I probably didn't do the best swatch, but see how it's kind of like a brown with that little bit of a mauve undertone like I like? Just, these are beautiful. I think you would like any. I know they have some with like some different brighter colors, but I think you would love this one. It's just a really good mauvey brown, yummy. I love like that chocolate milk color. That's how it is. Have you ever had one of those dreams that is just a wacko dream, but you can't get over it? And last night I had this dream. I was in like a big, tall, like casino or something. And I kept on trying to take, I don't want to say her name too loud, Bridget, out to go potty, and it was like I kept getting stuck in the elevators, and nobody would tell me the right floor to go to take her out or something, but has left me feeling, I guess it's because I've been worried about her lately, and I don't know why, I just felt like, oh my gosh, if she pottied on the floor, I don't know what I thought would happen, but it has left me kind of weird feeling. I keep on thinking, what's wrong? And it's that stupid dream. Does that ever happen to you? Okay, I'm gonna save the lips for last because they are, of course, one of my favorite parts, but this is the product that Cle de Peau is known for, and it is their concealer. It is wonderful. Now I want to tell you how I think the best way, I've already gone through a whole stick of this. I wanted to tell you the best way to use it because it's very, very concentrated. It wins lots of awards for just like one of the best concealers. It's great for spot concealing, but I like to use it just like I use all concealers, like under my eyes, but it's very important. Like you can see, it is just beautiful. I love it. I take it, and then you'll see in the video, but I take it and kind of warm it up on my finger, and then I kind of like tap in like this. You don't ever, it's so concentrated, you don't ever want to use this like this because you will have way, way too much and it will crease. The best way to use it is to warm it up on your finger and then just pat it everywhere you want it to go like that. And I promise you will love it. It is, and I think I got the beige. If you wanted like more of a highlight, I don't think if you're my skin tone that you will want that, because the secret with the concealer is, and you guys know I put mine on last. To me, the secret is to get it just light enough that it highlights a little bit, but not too light that you have to blend too far into your foundation. I don't like it when the colors are just so far apart. I want them to be just like half a shade apart. And to me, that blends the best. And please excuse all the noise next door. You'd think they would give me a break on Saturday, but they're just furiously building that house. So hopefully the loud stuff will be over soon. But so this is the Cle de Peau concealer. Let me see if it says anything special on the box. I feel like this already has a reputation of its own. I keep picking up the, okay, I got the color beige concealer, broad spectrum 25 sunscreen, even in the concealer. And all of these have skincare properties in them. It says, of course it says the directions are just for the sunscreen to apply 2 hours before for best protection. Okay, so now on to the lips. I chose these colors just kind of blindly off the website, and I could not have chosen a better set of colors. So I chose one of the lipsticks, and the color is Pouty. Usually if I see anything with the name Pouty, that's what I like, because it's gonna give you that full lip look. And these lipsticks are gorgeous. Look at, even the bullet is so beautiful. If you can see the shape of it. Let me show you the color. It's definitely that color of just a pouty full lip, and it goes on like velvet. A beautiful, beautiful color. It's kind of like a, I would say, I don't know if I'd say it's matte. Is it supposed to be matte? It's kind of like a matte radiant. Let's see. It's a cashmere. That's just like the velvets and stuff. So it's going to be not real shiny, but just perfect. When it goes on, it's like full color. You'll see when I'm putting it on. Okay, so that I chose well. Next thing I chose is one of these liquid lips. This got the best reviews. So I chose the color, it's the Matte Radiant Liquid Rouge. And the color I chose is Touch of Blossom. And so what I did, you'll see in the clip, is just put a little bit of this over it just so I could show you the color. But let me show you this on its own. So this is going to have a little bit more pink to it. Beautiful. So this is the Pouty and that is the Touch of Blossom. And so you can see how they look here together. Just gorgeous. I was going to put some more on, but I just like it is. That is some of the star products I feel from the brand. I'm sure other people may like the highlighters and stuff like that, but if you're like me and you like the look that I like, I think those are just the star products to me. And a couple of those, like I said, I have used several times and I just know that you'll like. I feel really confident in everything that I showed you that I think you'll like. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more thing that I got from Nordstrom in that same order, and then I'll let you go. The thing I want to show you is these awesome, awesome pants. They are the Zella, and you guys know how much I love the Zella leggings. Well, these are the boot cut pants, and when I came across these, I saw in the review that so many people were so glad they came back. So evidently this is something that they've had that they came back with, and I am just stoked with them. They come up super high on me, and I love, they tuck you in good. To me, they give you a good shape, and they're long enough. Today I'm just wearing them with my Gucci sneakers. But what I love about these is if I want to put these on with boots, I can do that too. That to me is the key to a good boot cut pant. And see, they're the perfect height where they kind of cinch me in, because I'm kind of straighter through here because that's where I put on weight. And so I love that they give me that curve, so you can put any jacket you want over it and you've got a good base layer. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I look forward to doing more of these kind of like one brand features, because I think it helps discover new things in the brand. So let me know down below if there are any Cle de Peau products that you really like, if there's any other lipstick shades that I should try, because I just love the formulas of all of these. And thank you again to Nordstrom for asking me to partner with them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you there. Bye-bye.